How to share Google Maps location in WhatsApp. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share your Google Maps location. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up Maps. Now once you open up your maps, all you have to do is simply go ahead and select a location that you want to share. So I'm going to zoom into New York City right here, and I'm going to just select a random place. So let me just go ahead on the main island, and here are different options. So let's say if I want to share this market right here, I'm going to tap on it. I'll get the location here, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the share option. Once you tap on share, you'll have an option to copy the location. So just tap on the copy button, or you could just directly share it to WhatsApp. Once the location has been copied to your clipboard, go back and open up your WhatsApp chat. Go to the chat where you want to share it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this chat right here and paste the link. So if someone taps on this link right here, they should be redirected to the pin that you just placed on the map. That's it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.